lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Temi's Kitchen. My name is GREEN Grace. In case you are just joining us for the first time, and I'm from Ecuador in South America, welcome back to Temi's Kitchen. If you're a return subscriber, thanks for tuning in once again. I really do appreciate you guys. Okay, so I film about my lifestyle. I film about foods that we eat here in, especially if you're a Nigerian or an African living in diaspora. I just think of what can I eat just to make me feel like an African. Yeah, you can just get that on this channel, and I give my thoughts about a whole lot of things happening around me and on the street of YouTube. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can preserve your unripe plantain for a very long time, and how you can make it into different kind of food, like different kind of thing you can use your black plantain to do, especially if you don't want it to get ripe at once. You really want to eat it unripe. So if you're interested in that, please join me and let us get this done. So all you need for this is your unripe plantain, a knife, and a Ziploc bag or a nylon bag, and you need a blender because we are going to be blending some. Okay, so you also need a nylon. You can actually use a nylon if you don't have a Ziploc bag, and also you need a grater. You need a grater with different teeth. I have 3 types of sticks there, I think 4 sha. So that is what we are going to be using, and actually you need a bowl. Okay, so the first process is to rinse your plantain. I'm going to be rinsing it so that it's going to remove the sand, and after rinsing you actually want to start the processing. So you're going to try to peel it out. So you're going to peel it. So after peeling, you want to dice some. That is the first part we are going to be doing, dicing it. So this is the way you dice. You cut into 4, then you dice, right? So that is it after dicing. Okay, so after dicing, you're going to pull that aside, and you're going to like do some into flat cycle like that. Can you see that it's very thin? I actually use this side for that part, so it's very thin, it's not too thick. So that is that, and you're going to put that one to aside. Okay. So the next one you want to do is to grate some. Like I use the other teeth down. I don't know if it is teeth though, so I use the other part down. So after that, you're going to get this out of that. So it's actually kind of a little bit big. There's another part that is smaller than this part, so I'm going to be using that smaller part now for some of the plantain. Also, as you can see, the plantain is actually going down in the bowl. Can you see that one is actually bigger than this other one? So now the next thing is to pack our stuff in the Ziploc bag. Okay, so now this first one I'm going to be packing, this one is going to be used for plantain porridge in the future, and this one is going to be used for pap in the future. Okay, you can make pap from unripe plantain in the future, and this one is going to be used to make plantain chips in the future, plantain chips. And the other one in the green bowl, I'm going to be using it to make going to be blending it. Now you want to be careful that your Ziploc bag does not have air in it, like I'm checking. So if it has air, you need to like open it and make all the air go out so you can close it very well. Okay, so this one I actually forgot to do it, so I did it later. You're going to cut it into this part to use it to boil and eat. So this other part I'm going to be blending it. Okay, so this one, after I blend, I'm going to put it in the Ziploc bag, and so we are done with all the processing. So we have different type of plantain. This one you're going to be boiling it in the future. You can actually roast it too if you want to do boli. Or this one you're going to be using for pap. This is for the amala, the blended one. This one is for the porridge, that is the diced one, and this other flat one is for plantain chips. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different type. So guys, I think with this we come to the end of this video. So if you like the video, please remember to click the subscribe button and like this video. Remember to share with your loved ones. Remember to tell everybody and show them how to preserve their plantain. Okay guys, if you want me to do any video, please let me know at the comment section. Any suggestion of any video you would like to see after this one, let me know at the comment section. I love you guys. Please stay safe and be good. Okay, bye.